carry your yellow head. I don't know what you do. You dey bleach your head. You dey bleach your ego.
Hey, sir, Bobby. Lap. Bobby, you lap.
Me?
Bobby.
Did they call you?
I they call.
Hey!
Bobby, come now. Shake me now. Come close. No dey fear.
No, I know they
fear. Be better person. I no be hoodlum.
Okay.
No matter to happen now.
Okay, no be hoodlum.
How far now? Hey, come here. Smile for me now. Brother, see this 20 game. Go plan for me. See this money. 200 to win 500,000. I'm a last call with this. Do you understand?
Yes.
Smile for me now. Smile, bro. Shake me. Shake me now. Nice one.
My they go.
Oh. Hey, na so. This man! What did he tell you?
See, man, go to use 200 naira, they bet 20 match. Me, I go use the money buy bread and mineral. Go tell and say the game cut because you know if you enter.
You want to use the money buy bread? Guy, not try him. That guy, they predict the game with bet fuse. And bet fuse, sure. Eh? No try him.
Because I carry that your bololo, go sit down. Ocean be they predict to bet fuse and bet fuse, sure. Even if not bet fuse, they predict for I'm sure they won't predict 20 matches. Mom say, give me bread and mineral. Because he carry go, he dey fear. He dey fear because if the game bust, don't be to go tell and say the game don't bust. Say,
man, give me bottle water.
He dey use best fuse. But they go, Jerry.
Man, don't score.
Man, check it.
Man, you score Arsenal.
Liverpool don't score. Arsenal don't score.
Wait, in carry Arsenal. Let me check Bayern Munich.
Straight win. They don't score.
Bayern.
Yes.
Check AC Milan. Check AC Milan.
They don't score.
I tell you, say bet fuse prediction, sure. I tell you.
I better get out. I better me check Arsenal.
Arsenal don't score.
Arsenal don't score.
Straight win.
More they run before that guy go come. That guy ticket turn.
Ah, I'll give enter. I dey watch live score. Bro, come now. I'll give no enter. They watch live score.
Okay,
go ball.
Our game enter.
Almost shut down.
Almost shut down, Abi.
My brother, calm down. I'm gonna go flex now. You not happy for me?
I dey happy for you. Do man dey get ball. If you just use that one. Do man.
You no play the game. I use my guy wrongly now. That jealousy. You don't go flex.
Man go treat the guy.
Come, bro. How far? See, I believe in you.
Okay, sir.
You don't make him.
Okay, sir.
So we go shut down today.
Okay, sir.
How far now?
Fine. I dey come and return this thing. Man, give me that 200. Just give me the 200. No buy again.
Sorry. I be come. He say waiting.
Nah, say make him give me that your 200.
I be laugh. What you talk?
I said the 200 where you give me. I
What happen now?
this, sir.
You feeling me down?
No, sorry, sir.
You feeling me down?
No, I don't follow you. I said the 200. Make I go collect the 200 for
you.
you.
Come.
Yes, sir.
You see?
I said, let me go.
I be laugh.
Yes, sir.
What you think?
This evening you will die.